That is so fetch.
I have so many Ozzy Osbourne records. This one is Diary of a Madman. We love Mr. Ozzy on here. Look at him in his little outfit. He's such a G. Ozzy Osbourne just needs to retire though, for real. Like, I love Ozzy, but he needs to rest. Because didn't he say he was going to retire? And then he went back, tried to do the shows, and then he said he was going to retire again. And he's like, I can't. You know? He should do one more concert. I agree. It's okay for you to sit down too, bestie. Like, God, this album cover is so cool. I just love it. It's a miracle he's still alive. I agree. Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh, I love the pattern. It's here. I love the Ozzy pattern. And this looks like a little record. So cool. This looks so freaking sick. Look at the underneath. What packaging? Having good packaging for your CDs is like an absolute must. It looks super old school, doesn't it? Okay. Our little boy Ozzy. This is such an iconic outfit. He was so coked out during all of this. Poor dude. Oh my gosh. Look at this photo. That is so cool. Track list on the other side. That is dope nasty. With the little cross. These are some thick pages too in this thing. Oh my gosh. Look at him. That is the coolest photo. I miss when things were like, good package is good. Get out of here, dyslexic. Oh my gosh. Dope nasty. Oh, this is cool. Just love Ozzy. He's so cool. Sharon said that on the Bill Maher podcast. Oh God. Sharon! You know? I mean, y'all already know this. It was the first reality TV show. Oh my gosh. They wear Slayer shirts, but posers don't exist. If there's ever actual posers, it's freaking it's them doing that. It's the freaking, I don't even remember their names. That's how much I don't even care about them. Wearing Slayer shirts, creating metal t-shirts. That was a huge thing back before I even was like doing metal. I am wearing Cannibal Corpse. And I'm wearing what is this record? What's that one? This last record. It doesn't have any words on it or anything. It's just like literally the face. What is it? It's Violence Unimagined. There it is. I have it on a massive flag thanks to Haunted Entity. That flag is so dope. So literally, yeah, you've seen it. I mean, here. You see right there in the corner. So it's right there. Flags are my new thing to collect. Such a cool photo. Look how like demonic that is. Love it. Tiger King was really good. Tiger King was so much fun to watch. I actually really enjoyed that show. Netflix used to have some really, really, really good documentaries when I had a subscription for them. So Fellowship and Ventisera are the main reasons for me to go for the Power Metal Festival. You're sending me 2 death flags? You are so generous. Thank you so much. Really? Wicked is sending me concert tickets for like next year. Have you seen the short on YouTube where the guy working a Cannibal Corpse show is there for the first time? You're gonna laugh. Oh my gosh, no. What do I put? Just like Cannibal Corpse first time short or something? Flags are awesome. They are like literally my favorite thing to collect next to patches. Look at these photos. That's so cool. Ugh, I knew putting it too close to the camera was gonna make it fuzzy. Just like cool to see old photos. I'll go find the title. Yes, do it. I loved the fringe. I love that he wore fringe for his outfits and everything. Leprosy and the Sound of Perseverance are coming your way. Oh my gosh. Adam! You're so sweet. Thank you so much. Another Ozzy CD we can open. Osmosis. You remember this one? This is from 95. So this is like older Ozzy. If you remember. Hi Sega, how are you? How's it going? Welcome to the stream. We're kind of just chilling here. I'm opening up some Ozzy Osbourne CDs. Oh, they have a little tab I could sneak open. Hopefully, please. Yes, it lets me do it. Oh, I just ruined it. Dang, Flabbit. Oh gosh. This looks like something from Carcass. With how, like, it's got the teeth and the eyes and everything. Stood next to Ozzy off stage in between encores. Very sweaty. Boof, I bet. Chili dogs like your mom. Oh my gosh. Sega is here to fight this morning. I don't even know what he's doing. I think he's shirtless in this photo. He's just kind of chilling. Ooh, this one like opens up. Why is it bent? One side is bent. Why? Oh, that bothers me so much. It's bent. The manufacturers just did that. When are you gonna do some overkill? I actually have plans to do them. Ooh, this is cool. Let me see that. What do you prefer, CDs or vinyl? I like all of them, honestly. Vinyls are really fun though, because you get like bigger artwork. But CDs are great because they're more like transportable, I guess. You can take them everywhere, because my car takes CDs and it takes cassettes.